Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is NBT 1.2b. Understand that the two digits of a two-digit number represent amounts of tens and ones. Our essential question today is, how can you group cubes to show a number as tens and ones? Our I can statement is, I can understand place value. For today's lesson, we're going to be working on pages 262 and 263, and this is Go Math Lesson 6.6. Let's go ahead and get started with our Math on the Spot video.
Hi, Mrs. Sandoval.
Hi, Joey.
I brought the cube that you wanted for the math puzzle.
Not ice cubes, blocks, base 10 blocks,
Oh,
like the ones we use for math puzzles.
oh,
Let me show you. Like these.
oh, okay.
Let's go ahead and do a math puzzle, and maybe that'll warm you up. I have a number less than 40. I have 5 ones and some 10s. What number could I be?
Not sure.
Well, let's use our blocks. So the first thing we need to know is what information was given to us that we can use. Well, we know that the number has 5 ones. So let's go ahead and bring in 5 ones. We also know the number has some 10s. So we have our 5 ones, and now we have our 10s, our 110. So 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones makes 15. Is that correct? But wait a minute. You have to be very careful when reading this math puzzle. The problem says, or the math puzzle says, some. If we have some 10s, that means we don't have just 1/10. We have more than 1/10. So we cannot have this as one of our possible numbers. So let's go ahead and bring another 10. So now we have 2 10s, and remember, we still have the number, the 5 ones. So 2 10s and 5 ones, that makes 25. But what if we have 3 10s and still our 5 ones? That makes 35. And let's again add another 10. 4 10s and 5 ones, that makes 45. But wait a minute, what number did I say I was? A number less than 40. 45 is not less than 40. So that is not a possible answer either. So our possible answers are 25 and 35. So Joey, did that math puzzle warm you up?
Oh, it sure did. Whoa. Looks like that math puzzle warmed up the ice cube a little.
So join us next time when we have more fun with these math puzzles.
Yeah. Maybe my lizard.
All right, let's get our Big Go Math book, and we're on page 262. We're going to model and draw. All right, so right here we have our mat, and of course we notice that we have the words tens and the word ones. The 2 in 24 means 2 tens. So right here we have our drawing of our 2 tens. And of course right here we have our drawing of our 4 ones. So we look right here under the word tens. We have 2 tens, and remember this is a 10 stick. It has 10 cubes together, so that's a 10. We have 2 of those sticks, and right here we have the ones. So we have 2 tens, 4 ones, and it equals 24. All right here we have tens, and let's see how many tens are here. That's right, there are 4. And let's see how many ones are here. There are 2. There are 4 tens and 2 ones, which equals 42. So what we want to do for numbers 1 through 9, we are going to look at our models, and we're going to determine the number of tens, the number of ones, and we're going to tell what that number is. So let's look. How many tens do we see? There are 3, so we'd write the number 3 right here. And how many ones are there? There are 5. Very good. So 3 tens and 5 ones. That would be, let's count and see, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we would write the number 35 right here on this line. All right, let's look at number 2. How many tens? There are 2 tens. Very good. And let's count up the number of ones. There are 9. Very good. So you write the number 9 right here. And we need to figure out what that number is. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That is the number 29. All right, very good. We will do the same for number 3, number 4, count the number of tens, count the number of ones, and write the total number. And of course, you're going to complete the on your own section. Now, look at number 7 and number 8 very closely. If you don't see any ones, you have the number 0. Remember that. Number 8, if you don't have any tens, if you don't see any tens, you have 0 tens. So therefore, you would just write how many ones you see. Look at the hot problem, which is number 9. Mary drew tens and ones to show 32. She made a mistake. Draw a correct quick picture to show 32. Write the numbers. So this is not 32. So right here, you would have to actually draw a quick picture of 32, write how many tens are in 32, how many ones, and write the number 32 right there. All right, I hope that you all are able to complete this on your own and do a fantastic job doing it. And I will see you all next time.